Hey guys, Ken from Apparel Talk. Today we're going to be talking about screen printed transfers and when you should use them and when you shouldn't. Let's roll that intro and dive in. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about screen printed transfers. So I have a transfer right here. We did not make these in-house. We ordered these from Transfers Express. Transfers Express allows you to gang sheet transfers, and it's up to 1 to 2 colors depending on what kind of design you want to do. And you could do ink color change out, so say you wanted half in black and half in white, you could do that. So for instance, today we're working on is a black shirt that says Mandate Freedom. This is not our shirt. This is something that a customer has ordered, and they actually ordered 1,100 of these. Now, as everybody knows, is when you print black with white ink, you have to do print flash print. Now, we are back at our house, or my house, and we no longer have the print shop. So we're back in the 10 by 20 carport, which is where we started off in the very beginning. We've done a lot of business through a carport when we first started. So we're bringing it back to very small, very basic beginning, screen printing and running a apparel brand. And what better way to show you by doing it ourselves? So we have the Anatol Thunder, which is a 6x6 and a 16 by 16 flash dryer. During our move, we actually, my DX200, which is a Raynor 120 volt 5-foot conveyor dryer, actually broke. So in the very beginning, when I first started, all we had was the flash dryer and a heat press. Now the thing is you know, how I've been actually doing it lately is I've been actually screen printing, flashing it when it's dry, and then taking it off, you know, the shirt off the platen, putting it back on the platen, and then going back under the flash dryer, and then it cures it that way. Now you can heat press it for 4 seconds on like a 200 to give it that glossy, soft feel, or you can run it up to 350 degrees for 30 seconds and give it a cure that way. Either way, it works. Okay. Now the thing is printing a black shirt with white ink, everybody knows it's a print flash print. The great thing about screen printed transfers, especially from Transfers Express, is this transfer sheet right here. I ganged them up. I was able to get 3 shirts on one gang sheet. Okay, so this design actually has a front and a sleeve print. So pretty much I was able to get this price down to around 42 cents per shirt for the print. Now, could I save a little bit of money doing the screen printed? Yes, we could definitely save money doing screen printed. But the thing is I only have to preheat or, you know, pre-press the shirt for about 5 to 6 seconds, and then the transfer is only 5 to 6 seconds. It's a hot peel, very simple, very easy. It just will save you a lot of time. Now let's dive in and show you how it actually works when we do a screen print transfer on a shirt. Let's dive in. Now what you have to do, now this is a front print. I actually do not thread the shirt. I just lay it in, put it all the way through, verify that it's on there straight, which it is. I let it preheat or you know, get all the wrinkles, the moisture out, because it is 100% cotton. I grab my transfer, find out where the center is, make sure I'm lined up. I am. Now it's just press for 6 seconds, and then from here opens up, and then you peel. And now you are 100% done with that shirt. 100%. You don't got to pre-treat or pre-press that or after post-press. Nothing. It's done. Alright guys, so that's exactly how you do your screen printed heat transfer onto a shirt. As I said, you heat your shirt, which gets out the wrinkles, but as well as it takes out the moisture. Lay your transfer down, press it for 5 to 6 seconds, hot peel. Very simple, very quick. It allows you to speed up your time. Now, you're probably going to save at least half, if not a little bit more time doing this method versus screen printing on a black shirt with white ink, because it's just one-time press, right? You don't got to keep on going through and going over stuff. So that's definitely a benefit way for you guys to, you know, get a whole bunch of shirts done faster. Will it cost a little bit more? Not a lot, but it definitely will save you some time and some headache dealing with the ink. Now, if you haven't started screen printing yet, I would definitely, get a heat press and get some screen printed transfers from Transfers Express. If you want multicolor, I would go to Super Colors. They also do gang sheets as well now, and yeah, that's how I would start if you haven't started screen printing. Don't deal with all the ink. Just get this going and get your customers, used to this product, and you'll never have an issue, guaranteed. Definitely make sure you dial this in before you, send these out. Make sure that your heat press is dialed into the correct temperature, the whole 9 yards. Do a wash test. So make sure you guys figure it out before you guys keep going and sending these out to customers. But if you have any questions, please let us know. If you guys want to see something, please let us know that as well. In the description, you'll see some affiliate links that helps out our channel, as well as you get the items that we personally use here in our shop. As well as we have a couple different websites for military and military unit t-shirts that you can purchase from. They're both our company as well. And our email, so if you guys want to email us and figure out exactly, have some questions, we can go back and forth that way as well. But until next time, be safe, have fun.